Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see, we did have a little pop right as the daily closed to test where we broke down from, and we are still rejecting off of that area. As long as Bitcoin is under 20,575, well, actually 20,700. As long as Bitcoin is not making hourly opens above 20,700, we should probably just continuing sideways and down. The issue right now is if we continue to close above this level, we can test into the next resistance at 21.5, about $1,000 difference. But I do think we're going to be pushing off of this area and testing a little bit to the lower end, almost like 19.5-ish is kind of what I'm looking to see if we test the low and hold this weekly open. If we lose it, then obviously we got much lower targets. And the only reason I'm saying this is because today is the last day for our free membership trial. If you guys are interested, please DM me. We are going to be switching a little bit our gears for the paid members, and everything will remain the same for everyone else, but I do want them to get their value. So looking at the monthly, we look like we're about to close in a bearish engulfing. 21 is about to be encroached on about by our higher time frame, which is bearish. This is just the first warning that downside is more likely. When we do have this red EMA cross under this green EMA, that'll be another nail in the coffin kind of situation. When this next monthly candle opens, we can have a new range for top and bottom. But as of right now, we're testing the low. And if Bitcoin closes under 1870, 18,600 or 18,763, you will make a new monthly low. And then we're officially going to be looking at a bearish situation. As of right now, downtrend is in motion. We had a little dead cat 1 month, and now we're continuing our trend to the downside. There is no confusion with that. This is a downtrend. Okay, we're just consolidating on the bottom, which can break lower, like in 2017 to 2018. You see, we were riding. Everyone was all excited that we were going to break out, and then boom, we broke out, broke down, and lots of damage occurred here. Lots of damage occurred over here with this breakdown. Lots of damage occurred over here with this breakdown. So yeah, and each one of these was supported by the 55. Only here we tapped the 100. So over here, this is like the worst it's been in a long time since we're actually riding the 100 EMA on a monthly for Bitcoin. All right, so let's go quickly to the daily, and then as you can see, we are pushing off the EMAs. Not the strongest situation. As long as we can close, let's say, above 21,300, we could look for upside. But as long as we're under 20,700, we should just look for sideways and down. Let me go to a 4-hour to see if we have anything spicy coming. Yeah, no, we already rejected one. Here's the one leg right here. One leg. Here's the second leg. This can possibly be the third leg to take us under the previous month low. Be very careful right now. This is not a time to get all excited and bullish. You have a naked point of control right here at 20,700. So like I said, without hourly opening closes above this level, you're not looking for higher. There's a lot of money sitting right here. And if this is being defended to the downside, here's going to be your next rollover area. So just keep that in check. Under 20,000, any candle closes under 20,000, you're just looking for downside, and you better pray that the support comes in over the weekly open or the previous month low. Otherwise, we're going to go tap into this naked point of controls today. And then as soon as 8 o'clock occurs at the end of the day today, when the new monthly opens, I mean, just be very careful that we don't gun for these levels quickly. Yeah, that's my warning. If we open a monthly and we pop up, I mean, we can come test this area like 23,000, but still, I'm looking for a rollover effect. I'm not convinced that we're going to go higher. Let's just say that. As of right now, here is our scalping time zone. And if we had our shorts from here yesterday and we took some profits here and scalped along, Well, you're taking your long profit here and then you're reloading your short, because I know this little wick right here got everyone last night as the daily candle closed, but it's still not. This does not look bullish to me. I'm sorry to say, and volume's dying down too. So we will see very, very soon. I'm gonna go to the Ethereum chart, and then on Ethereum, as you can see on a daily, we are under our 21 and 55. 21 is about to cross under if we can't get this candle to stay in this posture or higher. Until 1620 is broken on a 15-minute open and close, we're not even looking for higher. We're really close to it, but we are just testing that resistance and going sideways. I'm assuming consolidation of this area is logical. Looks like it's making a head and shoulder, but I've told you that this can go sideways and then pop back up, and it'll make a one-to-one extension like this arm all the way up here. It'll go all the way up to like 22,200-ish. Be warned, it is building, and it is possible this little inverse head and shoulder situation with this head and shoulder, and this head and shoulder will turn into like a W kind of situation to break out, kind of like this W1, 2, that. So be warned, if Ethereum takes the upper path, I would think Bitcoin will too, but Ethereum is at resistance as well. So once it clears the resistance, you can take the path for Bitcoin up. All right. Until then, we gotta wait. We need daily open and closes above 1620. Any close under 1620, we're gonna go sideways and down. The risk for downside is much more greater now. Here's a 4-hour. On a 4-hour, you are testing against resistance. Okay, the 100 EMA. We are volume-wise kind of like consolidating, kind of up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, I mean 1620 to the upside, and you can look to test into this $1,700, $1,800 area. These naked point of controls could be a guide, but we can test into like 1,800 and then pull back after taking out the liquidity of these levels, just so that you could be mean. I mean, you're just gonna come up to 1,800, it's still gonna be a lower high. You're gonna take all this liquidity from people and then roll it down on under and harder. So just be warned. Stuff like that is very possible. As long as you're under here, this is a great area to short with the stop loss above here. And this thing, you're gonna. I'm expecting Ethereum to go test like 1400-ish, low 1400-ish today. And if that happens, you're gonna see Bitcoin and all that. And if Ethereum starts faltering around this like $1,400 area, you're gonna see it go much, much lower. So you gotta be very careful about this. Anything can happen. Must be careful. Must be careful. Yeah, that's Ethereum for you guys. Looks like resistance and downside is possible if we can't push off. Let me give you guys one more coin. Go to Solana. Oh yeah, I did Luna Classic. It was breaking out. There it is, Solana. We can even do Matic real quick. So Solana is actually holding up above the EMAs. That's good. If we can break above 33.16, we can look for much higher levels. If we are just finding resistance at 33.16, be careful for testing the downside at like 31.50, and it could be even lower, almost 30. If this area fails, because this is a lower high, so technically this can start the path to the downside. Your first warning will be as soon as you lose $32, you can assume that you're going to be testing the downside, so be careful on that. Matic. Ooh, this does not look as bad as other assets. This is actually the most bullish out of all of them, because it's above a high resistance EMA and it's testing in. Ooh, I'm gonna give my warning to my friend. Here you go, bro. So watch out for Matic. Matic looks like it's gonna go test the monthly open. And if Matic is doing this, then Ethereum is probably gonna follow next. Yeah, this is a bull flag consolidation, test to the highs. As soon as Matic breaks above 80, 5 cents. Just look for 93 cents to $1.02 next. All right, yeah, so that's Matic for you guys. And let's go back, and I'm gonna just call it a day because I'm going fishing. I have officially downsized my job. This month when I start with you guys trading, it's gonna be some serious stuff. I'm excited. See over here, Ethereum actually rejected off the pink line, and Matic was actually claiming it. So now that makes me think Ethereum has the possibility to come back over here and higher. So watch out if Matic is right. Okay, if Matic is right, Ethereum should be breaking above 1800. If Matic is wrong, Ethereum can roll down here, and then Matic will dump mercilessly to the downside because it just is at this level over here right now. Matic is like over here. Ethereum's over here, so we'll find out. Aside from that, guys, like I said, it was awesome doing the membership series. If you guys had fun, thank you for joining. If there's anything else I could do, please leave it in the comment section below. Please do like, subscribe, and press the bell button for notifications so YouTube can excuse me, keep me around for a long term. And aside from that, I really appreciate the members who did put their faith in me, because it's because of you guys that I actually took the next step to make this reality. I am going to do my best not to let you guys down, and if there's anything I can do to make it easier or more helpful, please let me know and I will accommodate you guys. Aside from that, guys, have a great day. Be safe. I'm probably not going to be too active in the market today. After the month is over, I'm going to have all new data points on every asset. So I'm just going to be patient for the day. And when the daily closes and the monthly closes, I'll give you guys a better idea of how I expect the next month to go. But as I showed you on Bitcoin already, it doesn't look that healthy. I mean, even if we go look at the monthly here on Ethereum, what does that look like? Look at Doji, continue the downside. And if you look at this, the highest volume. So that's just not, yeah, that's just not the greatest thing. This is showing you the selling is increasing, not decreasing. I do think we're gonna go test the downside. Where this candle closes today is very important. If we lose at 55 and close underneath it, then I'm gonna expect the next month to go test the lows. If we hold this 55 EMA and close like this today, then I'm thinking we're gonna go test the 21 at 2,175 or 2,200-ish. So that's my final thoughts on Ethereum, guys. I hope you had a great day. Be safe. Talk to you soon. I hope I catch a fish.